Hello, friends. Welcome back. It's me, Vedika. Today, we'll be talking about coding a bit. So, मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक वीडियो बनाऊं about how you can code on the go. Basically, how you can code on your mobile or your iPad without a laptop, without using a laptop at all. So, आपको लैपटॉप की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. This can be helpful in two ways. Number one, अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप नहीं है, so you can use these things. You can use these apps and websites that I'm going to talk about. Or else, if you have a laptop or you just want to code on the go. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप थ्योरी पढ़ रहे हो और अगर आपको इंस्टेंटली कुछ कोड करना है एंड यू डोंट वांट टू ओपन योर लैपटॉप, so these apps can be helpful for that as well. So yeah, I faced this issue of you know learning the theory and then coding a bit. So उसमें तो मुझे बार बार लैपटॉप ना खोलना पड़े, a bit of आलस kind of a thing, क्योंकि मेरे पास लैपटॉप है घर पे. So मैंने इसीलिए इस टॉपिक पर सर्च किया that how I can code on my mobile phone on the go, and here are some of the results that really excited me and shocked me as well, which I'm gonna be sharing in this video. So yeah, if you want to learn coding, if you are learning coding, and you want to do it on the go on your mobile phone, so do stick till the end. So I'm going to talk about two applications and a website. So basically three resources के बारे में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ. There aren't a lot, but I feel ये तीन में आपका काम हो जाना चाहिए. At least basic काम तो हो जाना चाहिए. Now, one thing that I would like to mention is even I am learning how to code. I am not well versed in it, so I have not, tried advanced kind of things. For example, building projects वगैरह मैंने अभी तक वो उतना नहीं किया है, but still I am trying the basics of HTML and JavaScript. तो ये दोनों चीज़ों के लिए I am going to share two applications that you can use. And for Python, I had tried Python before. अगर आपने मेरी एक वीडियो देखी होगी about what to do in vacations, so in that video I had talked about learning how to code, and I had actually dipped my toes a bit into Python. वैसे मुझे अभी इतना याद नहीं है, but yes, मैंने वो थोड़ा बहुत सीखा था, and at that time as well I faced the same issue, and so I tried this website which I'm going to talk about in this video, जिसने मुझे काफ़ी हद तक Python में help कर दी. Now Python भी मैंने basic ही सीखा था, so basically everything is going to be for basic beginners, right? I don't know कि ये सारे apps and websites बड़े बड़े projects को handle करेंगे या नहीं. So you just take care of that. If you want to do that stuff, then maybe full-fledged coding on a laptop will be a great option. So yeah, let's just start with the video. So first up, let's just talk about the two applications. The first app is Code Studio. Now this is an application जो कि आपको Play Store पे मिल जाएगा. This is the one that I use on my phone. काफ़ी अच्छा चलता है and does the basic job. Now I'll just give you a quick tutorial for it as well. So सबसे पहले you just have to download the application, and इसके अंदर आप कोड लिख भी सकते हो and then and there वो run भी हो जाता है. So basically you just have to go into the app, you have to tap on the files logo, and उसके बाद आपको option आएगा to create a new file, and then उसके अंदर बहुत सारे languages के option आते हैं. Now I have not tried all, but HTML and Java तो होता ही है. So yes, you have to go in HTML if you want to create an HTML file. I'm giving you the example of an HTML file. So HTML पे आप जा सकते हो, and yeah, here I am creating a code. Here I am creating a form basically. So yes, मैं उसका code लिख दूंगी, and then you have this run button. Just press that run button, and here you have the output for it. So yes, this is how the Code Studio works. It's pretty easy and beginners समझ सकते हैं easily when you go on the app for the first time. It's very easy. So yes, यही है पहला app हमारा, which is for Play Store. The next app that I'm going to talk about is Coder app. Now this is on App Store. This is the one that I use on my iPad the most. So yes, this also works pretty much the same. Almost सब कुछ same ही है. बट यस ये थोड़ा लाइट मोड में वर्क करता है. इफ आई हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट, एक यही डिफरेंशिएशन मुझे याद आ रहा है. एंड यस, द क्लोजिंग ऑफ द टैग इज नॉट डन इन कोडर. उसमें ऑटोमेटिकली टैग क्लोज हो जाता है, जैसे कि बाकी कोड एडिटर्स में होता है, which you use on your laptop. So yes, in this Coder application, again you have to open the application, basically download the application, you have to open it, and yeah, you'll have an option of creating a new file. इसमें भी आप शायद बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस यूज कर सकते हो. आई डोंट हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट कितनी लैंग्वेजेस, कौन सी लैंग्वेजेस, बट HTML, जावा एंड आई गेस पाइथन भी आप कोडर पे यूज कर सकते हो. सो यस, दैट्स हाउ यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ न्यू फाइल. नाउ आपको इसमें ऑप्शन मिलता है कोडर में कि आप फाइल को रीनेम करो. ओके, सो कोड स्टूडियो में शायद ऑप्शन नहीं है, बट उसमें एक्सटेंशन ऑलरेडी शायद लगा होता है. एंड कोडर में एक्सटेंशन नहीं लगा होता. यू हैव टू राइट द एक्सटेंशन फॉर योर कंसर्न्ड लैंग्वेज. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं यहाँ HTML यूज कर रही हूँ, सो .html एक्सटेंशन लिखना, तभी वो रन हो पाएगा ना HTML में. सो या आई गेस दैट्स द बेसिक, एंड आपको पता ही होगा, सो वही करना है. एंड देन अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू राइट अ कोड and have the run button right here. Run button तो यहाँ नहीं है, एक I button है. So you have to just tap on it and उसके बाद आपका कोड run हो जाएगा. So that's how this application also works. It works pretty good for basic tasks at least, जितने अभी तक मैंने किए हैं. फॉर्म बनाना, उसमें बटन काम करना, वो सब तो अभी तक हो रहा है जहाँ तक मैंने इन्हें यूज़ किया है दोनों ऐप्स को. सो आई एम currently not having an issue with it. Maybe for more complex projects they might not work, so just keep that in mind. उसके बाद talking about the last website that I'm going to talk about. So this is the website called Google Colab. Now Colab की spelling में थोड़ा ध्यान रखना, double L नहीं है, single L है. Okay. Now this is a website of Google which can basically help you to code. This is mostly concerned with Python languages, what I assume. ये शायद सिर्फ Python के लिए है, because when I was researching how you can just code on your mobile phone in Python language, तो ये वाली website बहुत ज़्यादा pop up हुई थी. And yeah, it works great as well. Basically how this works, इसके अंदर आपको अपने गूगल अकाउंट से लॉग इन करना पड़ता है, एंड देन यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ न्यू नोटबुक. एंड yeah, basically you have to write the code. There's a run button, it will run the code for you, and basically output आ जाएगा. It's somewhat like that. So I'm able to recollect कि मैंने एक calculator बनाया था on Python at that time, and it worked pretty well. So yeah, Google Colab also works great if you want to do basic tasks. Not sure about complex ones. Well, that was it for today's video. I hope that today's video was helpful. Now if you liked this one, then maybe you are interested into AI as well, so go ahead and check out this video in which I am going to tell you how you can create an AI video from scratch. So yeah, go ahead and watch that, and I'll meet you very soon. Until then, goodbye.